Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is all about my Dollar Tree spring cleaning must-haves. If you are not a part of the Frugal fam, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also make sure you hit the notifications bell so you do not miss an upload from me. You guys, this channel is growing and I'm so appreciative of everyone who has subscribed. I really do appreciate you, Frugal fam. And make sure you thumbs up the video because that spreads the word about the channel. So make sure you thumbs up the video, especially if you have tried any of the products that I'm mentioning. If you've tried them and you love them and you use them, make sure you thumbs up the video, you guys. And also make sure you comment if there's anything that I mentioned that you also love, or if there's something that you absolutely hate that I have mentioned. Go ahead and comment below because you might not be the only one. Dollar Tree has several Fabuloso products. They have several Fabuloso products. I almost said scents because all of them come in a different scent, but I really want to mention the antibacterial one because that's the one that's going to give you more bang for your buck. So you won't just get the cleaning aspect of it, you'll get the antibacterial aspect of it, which is kind of like, it reinforces that you are really cleaning your surfaces. The fragrance that they had for this antibacterial Fabulosa is the Sparkling Citrus, which is great for spring to kind of bring in that nice, warm, sunny, flower, floral, citrusy smell to your home. I know that was a lot of adjectives, but I'm just saying. Also under the Fabuloso umbrella is the multi-purpose cleaner with vinegar. That was a mouthful for some reason, y'all. If y'all could see the edits of me trying to say that, oh my goodness. I clean with vinegar in my home, usually in my laundry if I'm cleaning whites. I also put a cap full of vinegar when I am mopping my floors. So vinegar is very useful for cleaning. And so to have this with the Fabulosa is great. The scent is apple, so apple and vinegar seem to go well together apparently, because we also have apple cider vinegar. So they pair well together. I have not tried this product just because I already have my white vinegar at home, but if you have used it, let us know in the comments, is it worth it or should we just stick to white vinegar? And of course, one of the OG brands, and that is the Lysol. This is the Lysol Clean and Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner, and it is in the scent Sparkling Lemon and Sunflower Essence. So Lysol is an OG brand. It is great that it is a name brand on the shelves at Dollar Tree. This is not a big container, so I'm not gonna say that money-wise it's really worth it. But then again, if you are like headstrong about using Lysol products, then I would say this is a great find if you just need something in a pinch. And another OG product, which is the LA Awesome Cleanser. This is always at the shelves at Dollar Tree. I have some in my kitchen now and I use it to clean the kitchen surfaces, anywhere I need to clean basically. And I love this product. It's not something that has a lot of fragrance to it like the Lysol or the Fabuloso. It does smell very much like a cleaner, but it works. It works. It's just a good product. And LA Awesome has a whole bunch of other products under their umbrella that Dollar Tree sometimes has on the shelves. The OG one is the one I gravitate to the most. Here's a product that I haven't used, but I want to mention it because this is important around the time of cleaning your house. Sometimes we forget about this, but it is this washing machine cleaner deep clean formula, and it comes in 3 pouches. I have not purchased this or used this, but I want to mention it like I said because this is all a part of cleaning the home, especially spring cleaning and all of that. So the main ingredient in this product is baking soda, and I do use baking soda when doing my laundry, so you know. But anyway, if you don't want to purchase this product, you can always just use baking soda. I'm really not doing the best at selling this product, am I? But I'm just saying this is kind of a product that you can just throw it in there, no measuring needed, run the cycle, and it should clean your washing machine. And the wonderful Essentials brand, they are a staple at Dollar Tree. And what I really love is that they have these options for you to do your own DIY or build your own mop or broom set or dustpan set. So you get the pole or the handle for your broom or your mop. You pick out whatever you need as far as a broom head, a mop head. I showed in one of my videos a few weeks back that they also have the plastic bristle brush head for like a mop or slash broom head. They have that option as well. They also have the dusters. I love that you can pick out what you need, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's just perfect for people who are just like, I don't need a lot and I don't want to buy a bunch of different things. It's just great, a very functional thing to have. And speaking of the Essentials brand, they also have the mop and broom holder. So this is a great item. All you have to do is peel the sticking part off the bag. Why did I say that sticking part? Peel it off the bag and then place it on the wall. It comes with 2 of these holders here, and it also comes with a hook here. So you can put some other item that you have, maybe a duster or something like that, on the little hook here. But yeah, it's great for all of the essential products that they sell at Dollar Tree. And it just kind of gets everything nice and neat. I actually purchased 2 of these to put in our garage to hang up some of our stuff, our brooms, our mops, and things like that. You don't have to use these for brooms and mops. You can also use these to hang up any spray bottles that you have that are cleaners and stuff like that. You can use it in the kitchen, you can use it in your bathroom, just anywhere that you want to get things off the floor and be a little more organized. And the Scrub Buddies brand, they have a lot of products at Dollar Tree. I want to mention this soap dispensing brush that they have. They have a couple of items like this, but I really like this handheld one that you can just kind of hold on to and scrub your dishes and stuff like that with. You don't have to use it on dishes, of course. This would be a great thing to use on clothes. You can put your spot cleanser in there and then rub out any type of stains or whatever that you have on shirts, pants, whatever. Also from Scrub Buddies is this dupe from Mr. Clean, and that is these 2-in-1 erasers. I like these because these are a little bit bigger than the ones that you will find for Mr. Clean. No knock against Mr. Clean. Now, if you are just someone who's like, no, I gotta go with the name brand, they do have the Mr. Clean available. It's just one though. It's just one, and it's the trial size. So it's not the full size eraser brush that you would get from another store. But if you are curious about trying this product, this is a great way to do that. And I have to mention spray bottles. So Dollar Tree has a lot of different spray bottles to choose from. This is a great way for you to make your own mixture of things. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, vinegar. You can get some vinegar and water. You can get baking soda and water, peroxide, different things like that. Make your own mixtures for cleaning if you need to. These spray bottles have so many uses around the house. You can also put your fabric softener in there and some water, dilute it down a little bit, shake it up and spray it on curtains, stuff like that. So this is just a good option for you. If you are someone who's like, I am so tired of having to buy these products elsewhere, you can kind of make your own stuff at home and use these spray bottles. And more from Scrub Buddies, they have these blue microfiber towels that are great. It is a 2-pack, and these are a good size, and they will last you a while. I have purchased some of these in the past, and yes, they do last a good while. Also from Scrub Buddies, I want to mention the reusable gloves. They have a good amount of reusable gloves. They also have some that are just single-use gloves. So the reusable gloves are a good quality. They come in pink, yellow, and blue, and they go pretty far up on your arm. So that's really good. You can use this for all types of cleaning in your home, or you can just use this for washing your dishes. I personally did not purchase these just because I think they're made with latex. So I'm not really a latex person when it comes to gloves. So I usually get the non-reusable ones that are non-latex. And of course, the Essentials brand. I know I keep mentioning them, but they are a really good brand at Dollar Tree. They have these heavy duty, basically large Ziploc bags is what they're like, you guys. You can get a 2-pack of the large size or a 1-pack of the extra large size. And this is a great way to store things away, but be able to see them as well. And they're not as bulky as like having a container, a plastic container or anything like that. So they're easier to put away. These will be great for the car. These are great for if you have kids who have different activities. These are a good, helpful way to stay organized and see what you have. And the Essentials brand mesh laundry bags, and this comes in a 3-pack, and I like using laundry bags just because it helps to keep things separate. And sometimes you just kind of want to do that whenever you are doing your laundry. I like that these are a good mesh, so they allow the water and soap and all of that and the dirt to get out and in and whatever they need to do within your laundry. It's just a good way to keep things organized. These are also good for travel. You can put your shoes in them. You can put clothes that you have worn in them as well, and it keeps things organized. So you don't have to use these necessarily for just laundry. You can use them for other things. And these are a good size. They're 12 by 15. They have a zipper and they are 100% polyester. And Dollar Tree now has some luxury items, you guys. So yeah, they're trying to give us a little bit more. These are packaged in black packaging. They have a pretty white font on them. And so they're trying to give us a little bit of pizzazz, I guess. But they have several items. I do want to mention this carpet freshener in the scent Island Breeze. The only scent I could find at the Dollar Tree I was at was Island Breeze. So if you have found this in another fragrance, please comment below and let us know. And if you've used this, let us know, because I haven't used this, but I want to mention using some type of freshener for your carpets and your rugs, because that helps to bring in new scents, new smells, freshens your house for the spring. But since I am talking about freshening your carpet, I want to talk about what I use. I usually go for the OG Arm & Hammer baking soda. I know I've mentioned baking soda already in this video, but it has so many uses, and I usually put it on my carpet. They do have the Arm & Hammer carpet fresheners available, but if you are not into the scents that they have, you can just use the plain baking soda that they have there, and it pretty much does the same thing, just without the fragrances. And finally, I want to mention the scrub-free glass cleaner. So I haven't used this product, to be honest with you guys, but other people have, and they talk about it all the time. So I want to mention it to you. So this is a foaming cleanser. It's supposed to work magnificently at cleaning any glass in your home. So I use the OG Windex, but I may have to get some scrub free because apparently it is the thing to have. So that's what I have, you guys, for my spring cleaning must-haves from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs it up, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.